colorful, vibrant, festive. These some of the grandest festivals in the country sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines last Sunday, January 21, 2024. The Grand Parade at the South Road properties recorded an estimated attendance of 2.5 to 3 million participants. Bleachers were filled with spectators as early as 7 a.m. in the morning up until noon, all prepared with umbrellas, colorful hats, and festive accessories, eager to witness the street dancing. 𝗔𝗖𝗪𝗟𝗢 Jr., an overseas Filipino worker, was one of the spectators in the crowd who always made sure to join the Sinulog celebration for over a decade already, together with his family.
I'm very thankful to Senior Santo Niño that gihatag niya ang opportunity karon sa among pamilya na makasinulog din.
𝗧𝗦𝗡𝗨 Divinuhanan from Talisay City was among the first to fill the streets with the rhythmic movements at around 10:30 in the morning. 𝗬𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗧𝗜 from Barangay San Nicolas did not fail to impress as they showcased their exceptional talent and precise choreography, thus bagging the top spot in the street dancing category. 𝗖𝗢𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗙𝗨 from the municipality of San Jose in the province of Dinagat Islands, and 𝗕𝗡𝗕𝗨 from Negros Oriental, both out-of-town contingents, were also the crowd's favorites during the carousel performances due to their impressive costumes and spectacular presentation. After winning first place in the street dancing category during the previous Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan, the Inayawan Talents Guild and Cultural Dance Troupe of Barangay Inayawan, Cebu City maintained their excellence in their performance, donning their blue costumes that gave a mesmerizing contrast to the sun's golden rays. In fact, the sun shone brightly that day that due to the excessive afternoon heat, Pag-asa Mactan reported a heat index of 35 degrees Celsius with an extreme caution category at around 2 p.m. The performers sought immediate relief under tents, and some of them expressed that this year's Sinulog Festival was the most scorching and exhausting compared to previous years.
Sobrang siya ka-init dan sa akong kauban kay dagan siya ka na na-collapse, nakuyakan. Init kayo. Oh my God.
Init yun siya, legit.
Init yun.
Aside from the dance presentations, the parade also showcased colorful floats such as 𝗬𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗨 Bird Sanctuary Float, 𝗖𝗡𝗨𝗟𝗢𝗏 65th Anniversary Float featuring underwater life, and the float of Manila Bankers Assurance that replicated the Basilica Menore del Santo Niño de Cebu. The parade was also joined by popular guest celebrities like Benji, Andre and Kobe Paras, and the heartthrob Joshua Garcia. Various festival queens puppets and many other creative gigantic puppets also adorned the streets. The festivities carried until sundown, even spilling over from the SRP to other popular party destinations in Cebu City every Sinulog Festival. This has been Mary Frances 𝗖𝗢𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗙𝗨𝗟 for Sinulog 2024 sa 𝗦𝗶𝗆 TV.